Good morning, everybody. I'm at Camposasso this morning because, well, it's a beautiful spring morning and we're getting the house ready for guests that are arriving in a couple of weeks. So lots of cleaning and gardening and stuff going on, preparation for the season. And apart from that, this morning I have an appointment with Marinella. Some of you might remember her from a previous video. Marinella is the real estate agent from Chianti who helped us purchase this home a few years ago. And a friend of mine reached out a couple of months ago saying that she was going to sell her home, which is just on the other side of this hill. So I love her home. I connected her with Marinella, so now Marinella is the agent who's going to be selling the home, but also, as it works in Italy, she's going to be the buyer's agent as well. And since she is a person I really like to work with, I trust her, we're going to meet up this morning and go and see this beautiful Tuscan home that is now for sale. And let me just show you the state of Frisbee. Look at him. Oh my gosh, so dirty. I think he's been down in the river. But yeah, this is what a nice morning looks like here at Camposasso. So spring is in the air. Frisbee, say hello. So I've just arrived in a little village called Poggio alla Croce, which is basically between Chianti Classico and Valdarno on the Arezzo side. So about half an hour from Florence, half an hour from Arezzo, in the beautiful countryside. And the house is just down this road. Here they are. Let's go! Buongiorno!
Ciao Rebecca, buongiorno.
Ciao, buongiorno! Quindi ancora qui.
La tua pazzella, il marito che è incagliato, ancora incagliata.
This is Malò. She is the owner of the house, and Marinella, who you've already seen from other videos. And we're going to go and see the beautiful house of Malò, which is now for sale. And Malò is going to tell us about it, a little bit of its history. And yeah, Malò, how many years have you been here?
Oh, I'm living here since 86, so it's 40 years. And we worked a lot to make it the house like this. It was quite abandoned, and it's a big satisfaction to see now with flowers and enjoy. It's a big house, so we decided to restore 2 apartments for guests that help to survive this place, the agriculture, and so there is an apartment on this side of the house, on the west side, one part for us on the first floor, and on the other side, on east side, there is another apartment, the oldest one, because this house is we found in a map of 1,200. Sorry. Yes,
Very old.
This was the road in front of the house, and it seems that it's an Etruscan road.
Wow, so
Yes, a
3,000
lot of
years,
story.
3,000 years of history here.
Yes, and I really would like to that the stone will tell me something.
Let's go and have a look.
Yes, sure. Come on. We are on the border between Chianti and Valdarno, and we have a great view on the valley until Arezzo.
I remember last year you were sitting here and you
And
made a
weaving
basket.
baskets,
Exactly.
exactly,
I'll have to
exactly.
link to that video so you guys can see it.
So we go in this part of the house. This was, we think, because we don't have exactly the map of the origin of this house, but this was the oldest part, and it was a tower. So this is, and this stone are really stone of the 1200.
Original part of the house. Very nice.
With a small
Living area.
living area and a terracotta stove.
Okay, I want the door. It's so cute.
The door.
Beautiful. And another exit out in the garden with a cat. So cute.
And then upstairs is a room, and see, and upstairs a bathroom.
So this is a little bedroom. Look at the ceiling, it's gorgeous. And view over the valley. And a bathroom. Even with a bidet. That's actually a big bathroom. They all have them. Casino? See. So inside of the quote-unquote garage, here is where you want to keep all your stuff if you're a handyman or have a hobby, just like Malò does. She makes these beautiful baskets. Bello. See.
This is the entrance with a big wood oven.
Wow.
And is at the moment is my workshop for baskets.
Yeah. Very nice.
I go up. And this is the kitchen, the typical kitchen of the Tuscan country house, where is a big one, where the chimney, and the most of the time we are in the kitchen.
This is the heart of the house.
Yes, is the heart
Beautiful.
of the house, exactly.
Absolutely gorgeous. I love the little details. This, for example, is awesome. And that one. These are all things that you put in.
Yes.
Yeah.
But we try to use all typical things like
Yeah.
chair, very simple and country style.
Love it.
This is another room.
Hey guys.
Yes. This is another room. They're all very big, and there is a fresco on this side of the wall.
And a built-in closet over there.
Yes. There is some cupboard in the wall.
Very nice.
Sì.
Ci sarà
Eh,
un bagno.
esatto.
Ecco.
Not only the bathroom, there is this,
A little pantry.
yes,
Fantastic.
very, very useful.
Uh-huh.
I call it my coop. The bathroom.
Nice bathroom. All very functional, I can see.
Yes, here there is another room, but now is just a magazzino.
But this could be another bedroom.
Yes,
it's big
it
enough.
was a bedroom.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
was a bedroom. Yes. Now is a. And then there is a second.
I love that.
room.
And here's another very big
Very big.
bedroom.
Yes, they are all big room, and with a nice view. And we wake up with the sun.
in your faces.
Yes, and even with the full moon is a wonderful light here.
Yeah. Very nice. Okay.
And the office.
And a study. Awesome.
And the office with not so interesting stuff, but computer and everything that we need.
Absolutely.
The planet.
And the planets.
Yes,
There we
the
go.
planet, the solar system.
And what's behind here? It's just stuff.
Behind here, yes, I can show you.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Is all the
All the stuff you don't want to see.
yes.
Perfect. All right.
Okay. Here there is another nice. No, armadio.
Ah, yeah. More storage space. Storage space is important.
Very important.
Yeah.
And in the countryside, we accumulate a lot of things.
Exactly.
There is. I call the bank of oil. It's the only key with the.
Okay. This is a house with an oil bank. That could be very useful. Oh, yes. Here is the olive oil room.
Olive oil room and our marmalade, jam, olive. all that.
Fantastic. So, what a life. Living in the countryside, making your own preserves, your own olive oil.
Yeah.
It's a good life.
Yes, it's a good life. With all the, this is the price that we get for olive oil. And the stone, the original floor stone.
Right. Dating back who knows how many centuries.
Oh, yes,
Many.
Really. Allora, this is another apartment where normally we have guests, and now we have a nice girl that is here for some time. Come on, come in. Here is a kitchen with a nice warm terracotta stove. A room.
A room. We don't want to disturb, but there is a bedroom in here.
Yes.
Don't worry, don't worry. So bedroom in here. We won't show details.
Here is a bathroom.
Nice bathroom.
And
All very Tuscan style. I love
yes,
it.
And here is another room.
Another bedroom.
Yes.
2-bedroom apartment here on this side. This is spacey. It's big.
Yes.
And this is warm.
This
Oh my
is
gosh,
very
it's lovely.
warm. This is very warm.
Yeah.
Uh,
And a huge, I don't want to show you the bedroom in there because the lady who is staying here is in there, but it is humongous. So lots of space. And it's so nice when you have big bedrooms. It's not easy to find here.
Okay.
The property is on how much land?
We have 4 hectares.
4 hectares, which is around 10 acres, something like that.
Yes, and part of on the south side there is olive fields and terrace, and on the north side we have wood.
Woods, okay.
Quite a 1 hectare of wood with big tree.
Big trees.
Really a nice wood.
How many olive trees are on the property?
On the property there is around 300, 350 olive trees. A part of this we planted in line, very easy for the harvest and for everything. And a part is on the terrace.
And how much olive oil can you make in a year? Depends
That's
on
a
the
good
year,
question. The average in Tuscany, in this area of Tuscany, because it's a very good, it's a high quality of olive oil, is 1 liter for 3. That is the average. So it means 350
liters.
But 1 year can be 500 and 1 year can be 50.
You never know.
Never know, never know. We wish that this year will be
Fantastic.
500.
Exactly.
The best.
If you have the intention of being a farmer in Tuscany, this is an amazing property. Also, when you become a farmer and you purchase a property, if you do everything according to regulation, you only pay 1% tax, which is very low, and something you might want to look into. So those are the benefits of being farmers.
Yes.
But this is all something that we can talk more about, or you can talk more about with Marinella, who is going to be, of course, the representative of this home for Malò. And so all her details are going to be in the footnotes of the video. Thank you, girls.
Thank you to you.
Yeah, thank you for showing your beautiful Tuscan home.
It will be for sure a nice video.
Exactly. I hope.
Now comes the sun.
And now the sun comes, yeah. Oh well.
Well,